guys, this is Subhash here, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber, so I am on a ride from Goa to Velankini. So I am heading back to Goa from Mysore. I am at Mysore area here, Mysore to Mangalore road here, something called Bangla here. That place I stayed here in the room. So it's Mangalore is 170 kilometers away from here, and my home is 500 kilometers exactly from here. So I'll ride today to my home, back to my home from here. So I'll show you outside. Okay, if you like this video guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay, then let's go. Okay, this is the hotel here. It's Oyo. You see here. Okay. And this is my bike. It's now 8:30. Okay, then let's go now. This is the hotel here. I stopped here for a cup of tea. And this is the hotel here. Yeah, I'm on the way to the Mangalore here. On the way I found this. There's a lots of shops here like this. It's they have tea powders and chocolate, home chocolate also here. All you can see this kind of shops here and on this road. He's the owner and that's the homemade chocolates there. If you please do come and visit this place when you cross this. They have reasonable rate as well. He's the owner. Okay. guys, you see that ghat here? Too much height they have compared to Goan ghats, and even some Maharashtrian ghats also, which I came on Tamil Nadu also. That side, that also ghat has a too much height, not like others. It's a very big ghat they have. It's Madpiri there, up there. From there, it's almost 30 kilometer, more than 30 kilometer. You have to come down from this side. I cannot see and properly with my eyes also. It's too much height there. Okay, let's go. So okay guys, I have fixed this here, Velankini to Goa. When I was going there, I fixed this Goa to Velankini also, but some boys, school boys have removed that when I was having a cup of tea there. I'm at the Ghats now, already crossed the Ghats there on this road to Mangalore here. Now you will see this. Mangalore is 90 kilometers from here. Then the Mani is 36. I'll ride to Mangalore from here, and this I'll tell you about this people here. This living standard is little bit higher than other part of Karnataka, of this Karnataka villages also. I mean to say, these people are much richer than other parts of Karnataka. So all houses and living standard is different than other side. Okay, we'll go to Mangalore now and have lunch there and start ride again. I'll tell you what's the time now. Okay, it's quarter to 12 now. Let's go to Mangalore, then I will end this video from there. Okay, so guys, I am in Mangalore now. I'll show you this area. Okay, it's 120 now. 115 I have reached here, and this is the Goa road. Okay, so I will go and have some lunch now, then I'll start riding towards Goa, and that's the main junction there. The left one, I had come from left one, the Bangalore road. Then after 20 kilometers you have to take a ride for Mysore, and this road it goes to Mangalore city and then straight to the Kerala. So from here I will end this video, guys. Okay guys, I will end this video from here. If you like this ride, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. There will be more videos till I get home. Okay then, see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.